Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to fix the cursor loading circle problem on Windows 11. If you have a spinning blue circle next to your cursor all the time, this will help. Let's get started. All right, first thing, press the Windows key and search for Task Manager. Open it. Now look for Run New Task and click on it. Then click Browse to navigate to a specific file. Okay, go to this PC, then open your C drive. Open the Windows folder, then scroll down and open System32. Here's the thing. Scroll down until you find cmd.exe. Select it and click Open. Back in the Run New Task window, check the box that says Create this task with administrative privileges, then click OK. This opens Command Prompt as administrator. Now type this command carefully. sfc/scan file equals c:/windows/system32/ieframe.dll and press enter. Wait for it to finish scanning. Next, type sfc/verify file equals c:/windows/system32/ieframe.dll and press enter again. Once done, type exit to close command prompt. Now press the Windows key and search for msconfig. Open System Configuration. On the General tab, select Normal Startup instead of Selective Startup. This loads all device drivers and services. Click Apply. Go to the Services tab. Scroll down until you find Windows Search or Search Service and make sure the box next to it is checked. Click Apply, then click OK. Finally, restart your computer. When Windows boots back up, the loading circle next to your cursor should be gone. And that's it. Your cursor loading circle is now fixed on Windows 11. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.